Welcome. The wait is over. Apple Intelligence is now live. Let's take a look at what's new in iOS 18.1 and how you can start using these features. iOS 18.1 introduces Apple Intelligence, an AI integration enhancing photo editing, writing assistance, and email management within the iPhone's native apps. This update allows users to perform tasks like generating text suggestions and organizing emails directly on their devices, without extra apps. After extensive beta testing, these AI-driven features are now available in the full release, marking a shift towards seamless, integrated AI support on Apple devices. Writing tools. The new writing assistant functions in all text-enabled apps, providing spelling and grammar checks, tone adjustment options, and text summarization capabilities. The feature operates across the system, functioning in email applications, note-taking software, and document editors. Photo features. The Photos app update includes 3 new functions: Cleanup for object and person removal, Memory Movie for prompt-based slideshow creation, and natural language search capabilities. Users can now search their photo library using descriptive phrases to find specific images. Transcript summaries. A new summarization tool generates concise versions of audio recordings from phone calls and Notes app content. The feature creates text summaries of recorded content, allowing users to review key points from longer recordings. Siri improvements. iOS 18.1 includes initial Siri updates, with the full version 2.0 scheduled for iOS 18.4. Current improvements focus on device troubleshooting capabilities and enhanced contextual responses to follow-up questions. Mail updates. The Mail app update introduces automatic email summarization, quick response options, and message prioritization features. Important emails receive highlighting and suggested actions. Additional categorization features for receipts, deals, newsletters, and personal messages are planned for future releases. 1. Prepare your device. Before diving into iOS 18.1, make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS 18 and create a backup. This ensures all your data is safe and your device is ready for the update. 2. Update to iOS 18.1. Once the update is available, you'll receive a notification or can check manually through settings. Download the update. 3. Join the waiting list. To access Apple Intelligence features, you'll need to join the waiting list. On iPhone or iPad, head to Settings, tap Apple Intelligence Siri, and select Join the Apple Intelligence waiting list. For Mac users, click the Apple menu, select System Settings, then click Apple Intelligence Siri to join the waiting list. 5. Keep an eye on your notifications. Apple will let you know when Apple Intelligence is ready to be activated on your device. This helps manage the rollout and ensures a smooth experience for all users. 6. Complete the setup. Once you receive the activation notice, your device will begin downloading the Apple Intelligence features. 6. Remember, Apple Intelligence is currently compatible with iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPads with M1 or later, and iPad Pro models with M1 and later.
Thank you for watching us. In order for similar studies to continue, and for YouTube algorithms to recommend our videos to others, you, the viewers, can help by liking our videos, leaving comments at points, and subscribing to our channel. We wish you beautiful, healthy days.